There's an African proverb that says, if there's no enemy within, the enemy outside can do us no harm. I'm sure some of you may be wondering, who is this enemy within that is preventing us from reaching our full potential? In this video, I'll share 5 self-sabotaging behaviors, emotions, or thoughts that hinder many people from living the life of their dreams. If you wait till the end, I'll share 5 tips on how to overcome these dream killers. Here is the thing. Our greatest enemy is often ourselves. Your biggest enemy is the man or woman staring back at you in the mirror. How is it even possible, you may ask? Here are 5 clear signs that you are holding yourself back. Number 1, fear. Fear comes in many forms. It could be fear of failure, fear of judgment, fear of rejection, fear of success. Yes, there's such a thing as fear of success. Or it could just be fear of the unknown. Fear paralyzes us and prevents us from taking risks or pursuing our goals. It took me a long time to leave my 8-to-5 regular job and start my own business. I kept asking myself, what if my business fails? That's what fear does to you. It makes you magnify potential problems and assume that the worst will happen in every situation. Fear can also manifest itself in the form of perfectionism. Perfectionism causes people to procrastinate, self-doubt, and avoid challenges. I hope you find strength today to overcome fear and do the very thing that you have been procrastinating for a long time. Moving on to number 2, negative thinking patterns. Self-criticism, self-doubt, and pessimism are evidence of negative self-talk. Negative self-talk undermines our confidence, diminishes our belief in our abilities, and fosters feelings of unworthiness. For a long time, I convinced myself that I cannot type fast on a computer because I grew up in a rural village where there were no computers. So I believed this lie and it became my reality for many years, until one day I decided to change the narrative. Today, I can type fast on a computer despite touching a computer for the first time in high school. Beware of comparison trap. Constantly comparing ourselves to others usually breeds feelings of inadequacy and envy. Comparison can distract us from our own journey and undermines our sense of self-worth and accomplishment. Number 3, self-limiting beliefs. Have you ever caught yourself thinking or saying these statements? I'm not good enough. I don't deserve good things. This is not for me. It's too hard. Limiting beliefs are all about our deep-seated beliefs about our capabilities, self-worth, or potential. These beliefs often stem from our past experiences, upbringing, or societal conditioning. If we are not careful, these limiting beliefs can hold us back from pursuing our goals. Growing up, I believed that financial success was reserved for people born in rich families. I thought if you were born in a poor family, you will be poor and the children will be poor too. What a lie. Little did I know that every wealthy family was once poor until one person showed up in that family and achieved massive success. You too can be that one person for your own family. Let's move on to number 4, imposter syndrome. Imposter syndrome makes you feel or think that you don't belong. Whenever you're doing great things or around other people, imposter syndrome makes you feel that you are a fraud and don't deserve your success, despite evidence of competence and accomplishment. Imposter syndrome undermines our self-confidence and leads to self-doubt and feelings of inadequacy or insecurity. My childhood was very challenging. It was normal for me to wear ripped clothes or go to school barefoot because I didn't have shoes. Such level of poverty damaged my self-esteem, self-confidence, and self-worth. Now things have changed for the better, but sometimes when I enter certain rooms, I feel I don't belong. The feeling of less than still lingers on in the back of my mind. It's a constant battle to shake off one's past, but we must never stop trying. If you are not careful, you can be very rich but continue to live a life like a poor person because of poverty upbringing. Last but not least, number 5, comfort zones. Here is the thing. Comfort zones limit our growth and prevent us from taking risks or exploring new opportunities. Comfort zone fosters complacence and stagnation, hindering our ability to reach our full potential. As you know, starting a business is not for everyone, but a high-paying job can hinder many people from starting their own businesses. A high salary, while it's a good thing, can be a golden handcuff for many people. It can keep you at a job that you don't like and prevent you from taking a chance on your own dreams. It sure seems our brains are programmed to sabotage us. It's difficult to progress in life until we conquer these internal enemies or negative thoughts. Winston Churchill said, "When there is no enemy within, the enemy outside cannot hurt us." So be on the lookout for your biggest enemy, you. Recognizing these self-sabotaging factors is the first step towards overcoming them. Here are some strategies to consider to help us break free from sabotaging ourselves and unlock our full potential. Develop self-awareness and stop worrying about what others think about you. Practice self-compassion. Give yourself some love and a lot of grace. Challenge or reframe negative thoughts or negative beliefs. Be intentional. Take action towards your goals and never look back. Learn from your mistakes and failures. Celebrate progress no matter how small. If this video helped you, please watch the next one showing on your screen. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And remember, there's greatness in you. This is Ken. Stay blessed, my friend.